Mnangagwa and his Ugananda cartel group will definitely go. Their time of constitutional manipulation, backdoor deals, and desperate power grabs is coming to an end. Tsarapira mashukubdanyo kwa panguva ine atirikuona kuti vakomana varamba puranga voya panguva ine vachiratidza kuti vari kugunun'una havasi kufara. Panguva ino atirikuona kuti they are not happy kuchinokwa kunzi ma-MPs nevakomana kusenate they have sold out. Panguva ine kunokwa kunzi they have decided kuti vatore ma-bribes in return panguva ine vachivhotera kuma-constitutional amendments. Sarapira mashoko amudanyo kwa panguva anachizi the price of betrayal. Panguva ine don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipila panguva ine paendo ya mapuranga mudanyo rachiti. The people see it. The veterans see it. History is already recording it. We stand firmly with the 2013 constitutional order. That is the document we fought for, bled for, and defended. It is not a piece of paper to be twisted for one man's ambition or his inner circle's enrichment. We reject outright the CAB3 maintenance agenda. This rushed, tainted, and unconstitutional attempt to extend terms, sidesteps the people, and turn parliament into a rubber stamp for dynastic schemes. That madness has no place in a sovereign republic. We are going for elections as usual, direct, free, fair, and on the timetable set by the 2013 constitution. No extensions, no parliamentary coronation, no notwithstanding clauses designed to cheat the people of their right to choose their leader. The people will decide in 2028 and every cycle thereafter exactly as the supreme law demands. I have said it before and I say it again. Power is temporary, the constitution is permanent. Any attempt to place one man or one cartel above the people's will is not reform. It is treason against the very order we sacrificed to establish. Doma developments are kubuda panguva ine. Recommend section medu za fungura enyi motu. Subscribe or like, on the bell icon.